Hi, this is Graham and welcome to my channel. Guys, kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa channel ko, yung channel ko is about sa basic English in Tagalog. And then, I hope you will click subscribe for more videos about English in Tagalog. At saka ngayon guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is adverb. Tutuloy natin yung ating series about sa 8 parts of speech. So, kung ano ba yung adverb at saka paano ito gamitin. So, punta tayo sa aking computer para mas maintindihan natin mabuti. So guys, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang adverb. So sa Tagalog, ang adverb ay pang-abay. So ano ba itong adverb? Ang adverb ay word or phrase na nagmo-modify or nagdi-describe sa verbs at adjectives. At nagmo-modify din ito ng adverb. So nagbibigay ng mas maraming information about sa verbs or adjectives. So, yun yung adverb. At saka, napakaraming trabaho nitong adverbs, guys. So, ating tatandaan na ang adverb ay palaging after the verb. Sa adjectives kasi, yung ating napag-uusapan or napag-aralan sa aking previous video, always naman, ang adjectives ay nasa unahan ng noun or before ng noun ang adjective. So, ang kaibahan sa adverb at saka adjectives, yung adjectives nasa unahan or before ng noun sa position nito sa sentence. Ang adverb naman, ang position nito sa sentence ay always itong after ng verb. After sa ng verb. So, after ng verb yung adverb, tapos yung adjectives is before ng noun. So, pareha silang dalawa, nagdi-describe. Ang kaibahan lang, ang dinidescribe ni adverb ay yung verb. Sa adjectives naman, ang dinidescribe ng adjectives is yung noun. Okay? At ang adverb, guys, dito natin malalaman sa adverb ang isang sentence or yung pangungusap kung saan, where, kelan, when, ilan, how much, at kung gaano ka dalas or frequent o yung frequency ang action na nangyayari. So, sisimulan na natin. Pupunta tayo sa ating next slide. So, here we go. Wait. So, guys, dito sa slide dito sa ating screen, makikita natin yung 5 klase ng adverbs or 5 types of adverbs. So, yung number 1, guys, ito yung adverbs of manner. So, dito natin malalaman or magbibigay ito ng information kung paano or how. Tapos, sa pangalawang namang klase ng adverb is yung adverbs of time. So, dito rin, nagbibigay rin ito ng information kung kelan or when nangyari yung action or yung isang pangyayari. Tapos, pangatlo, yung adverbs of place. So, malalaman rin natin, nagbibigay rin ito ng information kung where, saan nangyari yung action or yung nangyari, yung pangyayari. Tapos, yung pang-apat is yung adverbs of degree. So, dito nagbibigay ito ng information kung gaano kalawak or gaano ka intense or nagbibigay ng how much, kung how much yung information. At saka, sa number 5 naman, guys, yung adverbs of frequency. So, kung gaano ito kadalas, how often yung isang sitwasyon or yung isang action na nagaganap. Ito yung mga information na binibigay ng 5 types of adverbs. So, sa first, ulitin lang natin, adverbs of manner. So, how, nagbibigay ng information kung how, paano nangyari yung isang action. Tapos, sa second naman, adverbs of time, nagbibigay ng information about sa when, kailan nangyari ang action. At saka sa third part is yung adverbs of place, where, kung saan, nagbibigay ng information kung saan. At saka sa adverbs of degree, nagbibigay ng information kung how much. At saka sa number 5, nagbibigay ng information adverbs of frequency, kung gaano ito kadalas yung pangyayari or yung action. So pupunta tayo sa ating first part nitong adverbs of manner. So, ito yung una nating i-discuss. Pupunta tayo sa next page. So, ito guys, number 1. Adverb of manner. How something happens. Paano nangyari ang isang bagay or isang action. So, example. Babasahin natin yung sentence na example natin sa baba. So, babasahin natin, he ran quickly. So guys, huwag kayong ma-confuse dun sa word na run. Ito yung past tense ng run, R-U-N, yung run. So ito yung verb, yung run. So, he runs quickly. Nagbibigay ito ng information. Yung quickly, yung adverb na quickly, word na quickly, ito yung adverb dito sa sentence na ito. Nagbibigay ito ng maraming information or provide ng information. Dinidescribe nito ang information na mabilis. Yung pagtakbo, quickly. Biglaan. Ganun, quickly. So, yung information na binibigay nun sa verb na run. Tapos sa pangalawang sentence naman guys is he swims well. So yung swim guys, swims yun yung verb. Tapos yung adverb is yung well. Binibigay ng information ng adverb na well, ang well, yung verb na swim. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. Tatandaan natin, napapansin natin sa ating sentence na yung adverb is always itong after sa verb. Makikita nyo sa ating first sentence example, he ran quickly. So, sa pangalawang example naman, he swims well. So, yung adverb palagi itong after nung verb. So, yun yung position ng adverb sa isang sentence. Tapos, yung mga common adverbs of how or adverbs of manner, so makikita natin, nilagay ko rito sa example is yung quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, at saka well, fast, at quickly. So, ito yung pinaka-common na adverbs na ating makikita. Mas-search nyo pa yung iba, mas marami pang iba dito guys. Ito yung pinaka-common lang ng adverb of manner. So, pupunta naman tayo sa ating next slide para makita natin yung sunod na type ng adverb. At sa pangalawang part guys, ang adverbs of time. So, ibig sabihin nito, when something happens. When? So, kailan nangyari ang isang bagay or action. So, example nito guys, makikita nyo sa ating sentence. Babasahin natin yung sentence. They go out to dinner weekly. So, yung adverb dito guys is yung weekly. Nasa dulo siya ng sentence para ma-describe niya or magbigay ng information, makapagbigay ng information yung adverb kung kailan sila lumalabas o kumakain sa labas. Yung sentence, they go out to dinner weekly. So, yung adverb doon is yung weekly. And then guys, sa second sentence naman guys, our family goes on an outing monthly. So, kailan ba sila lumalabas para mag-outing? So, monthly sila lumalabas. Yung adverb na monthly, yun yung nagbibigay ng information sa ating sentence or nagdi-describe na every month or monthly sila na nag-a-outing. Nasa dulo rin ito ng sentence yung position nitong ating adverb para makapagbigay or magbigay ng maraming information or specific information kung kailan. So, yung common adverbs of time ay babasahin natin. Now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then, and last year. So, punta tayo sa ating next page, ating next slide para i-continue natin yung ating topic. And then sa third part nito ng adverb is yung adverbs of place. So, where, saan, where something happens. Where something happens. So, saan nangyari ang isang bagay or action. So, sa ating example sa baba, babasahin natin yung sentence example. Put the cake there. So, ang adverb dito, guys, ay yung there, yung word na there. Nasa dulo pa rin ito ng sentence. Para makapagbigay ng information kung saan natin ilalagay yung cake. Put the cake there. So, ilagay mo yung cake doon. So, yun yung adverb sa sentence na ito, yung there. Tapos, guys, sa pangalawang example, please bring that book here. So, yun yung sentence natin. Ang adverb naman dito, guys, is yung here. Yun yung adverb. Nagbibigay ng information kung saan ilalagay ang libro. So, bring, yun yung verb. Sa unang sentence naman, yung put, yun yung verb. Tapos yung cake is noun yun. At saka yung book, noun yun. Minomodify ni adverb yung verb, pero nasa dulo siya ng sentence para makapagbigay ng information kung saan. Okay? So, saan nangyari ang isang bagay or action. So, tapos guys, yung common adverbs of where or common adverbs of place ay above, abroad, far, away, back, here, outside, below, backwards, behind, and down. So, ito yung pangatlong part, adverbs of place. So, pupunta naman tayo sa pang-apat na part dahil mahaba ito, guys. And then, adverbs of degree. Ito yung amount. How much or to what extent yung ating pinag-uusapan, yung ating ibibigay na information, yung kanyang ibibigay na information, sa adverbs of manner. So, titingnan natin sa example, babasahin natin yung sentence example. The view from the top is very beautiful. So, guys, yung adverb dito is yung very. So, nagbibigay siya ng information o minomodify niya yung verb dito sa ating sentence at nagbibigay siya ng information kung napakaganda ng view doon sa taas. Yun yung ginawa ng adverb dito. So, ito yung adverbs of degree. So, how much or to what extent. So, yung adverb, ulitin ko lang, is very. Tapos, yung common adverbs of how much is quite, fairly, to, enormously, entirely, very, rather, extremely, almost, absolutely, and just. So again, ulitin ko yung word na enormously. Nabulol ako doon. And then, pupunta tayo sa ating last part ng adverb. So ito yung adverbs of frequency. So kung gaano kadalas, how often, gaano kadalas nangyayari ang gaano kadalas ang isang pangyayari or yung isang action. So yung mga adverbs of frequency, guys, makikita natin dito yung mga words ay always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, at saka never. So, guys, gaano kadalas? Yung ibig sabihin ng word na always ay 100% yun. Always, palagi yun. Madalas siyang nangyayari. Yun yung ibig sabihin dito sa adverbs of frequency na always. So, tingnan natin yung sentence example ko dito sa always. I always wake up at 6 o'clock. So, always yun, araw-araw, 100% yun nangyayari. Every day, I always wake up at 6 o'clock. Tapos, usually naman, 90%, pero kadalasan pa rin siya nangyayari. 90%, hindi siya katulad ng always na 100% talaga na palaging nangyayari. So, I usually come home after work. So, araw-araw pa rin siya, pero 90% compare mo dun sa always. Tapos, sa normally naman, 80% siyang nangyayari. Yung kadalasan nangyayari, 80%. So, yung ating sentence naman na example, I normally swim after school. And then, often, 70%. Ang kadalas na nangyayari. So, I often spend Christmas with friends. So, sa 50% naman, guys, yung sometimes. So, 50% lang yun na nangyayari. I sometimes play tennis on weekend. So, for example, sa isang linggo, isang beses lang siyang naglalaro ng tennis. So, hindi siya palagi or always na katulad ng ating example na 100% sa taas. Tapos, sa baba naman yung occasionally, minsan, ito yung minsan, natawag ding minsan. Occasionally, 30% ang gaano siya kadalas. So, occasionally, minsan, I occasionally eat Chinese food. Tapos, 10% seldom, ito talaga minsan-minsan lang. So, I seldom go to the library. So, minsan lang ako pumunta sa library. Tapos, rarely, talagang hindi masyadong nangyayari. Isang beses isang taon or minsan sa isang buhay, gano'n. I rarely listen to radio. Walang gano'n. Yun yung example na nilagay ko sa sentence. I rarely listen to radio. So, minsan, isang beses lang sa buong buhay ko nakinig ako ng radyo. Parang ganun yung example niya. Tapos never, talagang hindi nangyari. Hindi talaga, wala. So I never listen to jazz music. So yun yung adverbs of frequency. So ito yung nagbibigay information o sinasagot nito ang question mo sa isang sentence kung how often or gaano kadalas. So i-recap lang natin, guys, yung ating napag-aralan ngayon. Babalik tayo sa pinakaunang slide. Okay. Wait. So guys, ang ating napag-aralan ngayon is adverb. Ano ba ang adverb? Ang adverb sa Tagalog ay pang-abay. Ang adverb ay word or phrase na nagmo-modify or nagdi-describe sa verbs at adjectives at nagmo-modify din ito ng adverb. Nagbibigay ng mas maraming information about sa verbs or adjectives. And then, 5 types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency. And then, ang adverb of manner, sinasagot nito ang tanong na how something happens. Paano nangyari isang bagay or yung isang action. So, yung example, he ran quickly, he swims well. So, binibigay ng information ng adverb yung pagtakbo. Quickly, yun yung binibigay ng adverb of manner dito sa ating sentence. And then, he swims well. So, yung adverb na well, yun yung nagbibigay ng information kung gaano siya kagaling lumangoy. And then, the common adverbs of how, quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly. And then, ang adverbs of time, ito ay sinasagot yung question kung kailan, when something happens, kailan nangyari isang bagay or action. Example, they go out to dinner weekly. Our family goes on an outing monthly. So, yun yung mga example nun. Yung adverb dito guys, sa sentence nito is weekly, monthly, meron pa yung out, adverb din yun. Pero, focus muna tayo sa pinaka-basic. And then, common adverbs of when, now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then, and last year. So, sa next slide, adverbs of place, where something happens, kung saan nangyari ang isang bagay or action. Example, put the cake there. So, yung adverb dito is yung there. Please bring that book here. So, dito. So, yun yung adverb. Here. Tapos, common adverbs of where, above, abroad, far, away, back, here, outside, below, backwards, behind, and down. Tapos, sa ating pang-apat na part, is adverbs of degree. So, amount or how much or to what extent. So, example, the view from the top is very beautiful. So, common adverbs of how much, quite, fairly, to, enormously, entirely, very, rather, extremely, almost, absolutely, and just. Tapos sa adverbs of frequency, how often or gaano kadalas ang pangyayari or yung action. So always 100%, 90% sa usually, normally is 80% na nangyayari, 70% yung often, 50% sometimes, occasionally that's 30% only, tapos sa 10% yung seldom, rarely 5%, never 0%. Wala, hindi nangyayari. Ganon. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson ngayon about sa adverbs, and then don't forget to click subscribe for more lessons about basic English in Tagalog. And you can easily search my channel guys by typing hashtag English in Tagalog. Walang space po yun. English, hashtag English in Tagalog sa search box sa YouTube. And then I hope may natutunan kayo. I will see you again on my next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye! Guys, if you have any questions or suggestion, click a comment nyo lang sa baba, and don't forget to click subscribe for more videos about basic English in Tagalog. See you in my next video. Goodbye!